Do you experience lower back tightness after a session? Well, let's find out how we can fix it. So the first question I have for you is, do you think you need to strengthen your lower back, or do you think you need to stretch your lower back? Because if we're feeling that lower back tightness, it might just be your body telling you that there is a weak link in the chain that we need to strengthen. Or maybe we just need to stretch it either before or at the end of the session alongside all our other stretches and mobility that we do. So if the answer is that we need to strengthen our lower back, which I think for most of you it will be, is we need to perform exercises like this, which keep our spine erect, and our spinal erectors are now working really hard to make sure that I don't collapse down into an unsafe position. Okay, so like any other movement, when we are doing these and other exercises like it, we need to slowly, progressively overload until we strengthen it to the point that we don't feel it on the exercises where we don't really want to be feeling it, like our RDLs or our deadlifts. But then what if the answer is that I have to stretch my lower back? Well, what we need to do is we actually need to flex at our spine. So I need to let my back round. Now, whereas usually I'm telling you to keep your back up and keep your spine erect, in fact, to stretch it, we need to do the opposite. And so make sure you use a light load when you're doing an exercise like this, but I'm just letting it pull me in until I feel that big stretch, and I'm gonna hold it there for like 5 seconds. When I feel like I want to, I come back up into the erect position, and then I can come back in. Now, this exercise can be great either at the start of a session as like a priming exercise to get that lower back fired up, or it can be at the end of a session when you're feeling that tightness and you use this as a stretch. Again, we're trying to flex at the spine. We're letting our back round and then coming back into an extended position to stretch our spinal erectors through the full range of motion. So there you go. There's how you can fix that lower back tightness that you've been experiencing. Remember, ask yourself, do I need to strengthen or do I need to stretch? Okay? So good luck when you try this out there, guys.